this is the mix scenario that I have created for you. And how this is going to work, this is going to read your videos that you're going to upload it to your channel, the long form videos, and it is going to make it as short videos from the long videos. So it will read all the videos that has been uploaded to your channel. And you can, if you want to do it manually, you can definitely select the dates here, and accordingly it will pick the video from the specific date, and you can start running this automation. Once it picks the video, it will send the information to Wizard AI, and from Wizard AI it will start running and processing the clips from the long form video. You can see it has started processing the videos. Okay, and once the videos will get completed, the clips will get completed, it will send those clips to this webhook. It will get the information from Wizard AI, it will move the information to Airtable, and it will create the social media content as well, and save those contents information to again Airtable base. Okay, let me show you the Airtable base. This is the Airtable base that I have created. This has the title, share link, and all the relevant details that are required to post the information, post the clips to the social media platforms, YouTube or other media platforms as well. You can select. This is the clip URL. From here, you can click and edit the video if you want. You can select related topic. You can see transcript, the reason for the viral score. This is the link that you can use to download the videos from here directly. And this is the social media content that has been created for posting the content to the social media platform directly. It has the hashtag as well. And this has the approval status. So by default, it will be awaiting review, so that you know that this is the new entry, and you have to still watch these clips if these are correct to post it to the social media platforms or not. You just have so this is what I have created so far. The next step is, once you click on approve, it should post the clip to the social media platform. Okay, so this is the next step I'm working on, getting the information from Airtable and moving the information from Airtable to Metricool. So once you click on approve, it will move the data here, and it will move the data to Metricool to post the content, titles, and other details. Okay, so this is the next step, and let me see if it has created or not. So this is going to take time, approximately 3 to 5 minutes, depending upon the length of the video and the number of clips that we are asking to process, and we will be waiting for it to process it. It will move the data to here on make.com. I'm doing it manually because I want to show you how this works. Otherwise, it will work automatically. You do not have to press it to run it. All right. This is only for the education purpose. So once it's ready, it will move here, and it will move the data to Airtable base. You can see this has 30 records as of now. So the records numbers will get increased by 5 times. And let me show you one more thing, that this is the request content. It has the template ID. You need to select the, okay, this has created. Now it will move the data now on Airtable. It will take approximately 1 or 2 minutes more. So let me show you how this is going to work. This is exporting, so this will take time. Let me show another window. Okay, so I'm clicking on this, and why I am showing you this, because from here you can decide which template to use to create these viral videos. Okay, so there are 2 templates as of now that I have created. One is this has the different font of the header. You can remove, or we can change the header in this combination as well. Okay, other thing is about this, it has the combination of subtitles. So these are the things that you can make changes according to your requirement, and once you save it, it will save as a template. And this is the another scenario. Sorry, this is the another template that I have created. I like this because it has the bold headers for approximately 2 or 3 seconds, and this has the color changing subtitles as well. So let me show you. this is it as a typical viral video content that you can directly share to your social media platforms, and we can definitely make changes to these templates, and these template ID needs to be saved here. So for example, if you are looking after 5 different templates, so these automation should be created by 5 times, so that you get different templates videos to this platform. Okay, you can see this has 31, 32, 33 and 34 and 35 videos here. So there are 5 videos. This has the 9 viral score, this has 8, 8 and 7, 7, and all the details are submitted here. So this is how it is going to work.